In the past 3 years, we've had a lot of upgrade on our Meet the Property Guy YouTube channel. We've done a lot of upgrade on improving our topics, our content, our guides, and our visuals. At some point also, we started integrating different features into our content. We started bringing in diagram tables, graphical representation, tables, started beginning direction maps, and at some point we also started doing screen record. Now, as a result of the tremendous success we had last year, in the number of views, in the number of subscribers, and also in our turnover too, it has become evident that it's time for us to scale up. And it's time for us to upgrade the entire video setup and our entire visual presentation. So in the past 3 to 4 weeks, really, it's been hectic. That's what we have been doing. And this is the new setup that we'll be using going onward. So we've got a bigger studio right now, and now we can now start to incorporate some of the ideas that I've been having over the past few months in terms of having interview sessions. So what we are trying to do basically is we don't want the channel to just be about Rabiu's talk, Rabiu's ideology, Rabiu's philosophy, Rabiu's perspectives. But this time around, we are also going to be having different faces and different voices. I know some of you guys are already bored of seeing my face every time. Don't worry, it's fine. So we'll be having different faces coming into the channel, different brains, intelligent guys, excellent, experienced guys coming to the channel that have been doing a lot of things in the real estate sphere: developers, builders, surveyors, lawyers, real estate tech guys, real estate investors also. These professionals are going to be sharing their wealth of experience and their wealth of knowledge with you guys on this channel. So we are trying to improve on the different guides that we are giving you, or the different content that we are giving you, and as well as the presentation model of these contents too. So apologies that this seat is empty. It won't be empty going forward. We are going to be having one-man interview, two-man interview, three-man interviews. We are going to be having panel discussions, and we'll be beginning different faces and different voices to come and share their knowledge with you guys. And primarily why we are doing this is because we don't just want you guys to just be investing in land, buying land up and down, but we really want you guys to also step up your investments to grow into other models and other opportunities in the real estate market and the real estate industry here in Nigeria. And one of the ways that we can do that is to actually bring in people that are already successful in that model, people that are already doing very well and very fine in that sphere, into the channel, and then they talk to you guys and they educate you guys about the opportunities and how the technical know-how and the technical expertise about that particular form of real estate. So be looking forward to seeing a lot of guys coming in, talk about tech solutions, different tech innovations, different new product models that are already in the market. It's not just land. A lot of people are doing. So people are doing a lot of different opportunities, hostels, short-let, bringing people that are already doing this, and they come and then they teach you guys, they educate you guys. Possibly we may be also having some debates. I'm not a yes sir guy, so I always try to bring in my opinions and perspective about things. So we'll be sharing a lot of ideas, we're sharing a lot of perspectives, and it won't just be mine alone this time around, but we're also going to be having guests down here, different faces down here that are also going to be sharing their perspectives with you guys. So we want you guys to also go into developing your properties. And this development doesn't really mean that you guys have to build and sell, but we want you guys to start building, start doing construction, start doing development on different real estate that you guys got. We want you guys to start building schools, building creches, building hospitals, building factories, building businesses, malls, supermarkets, halls, shopping plazas, because there are a lot of opportunities here beyond just buying land and banking it. So we are going to be beginning different business guys, different brains here on this channel to educate you guys on some of the ventures that you guys are already doing, or some of the ventures that you can go into, or some of the ventures that you guys are already eyeing. So that's the goal. So we don't want you guys to just buy land and just leave it, have land for 6-7 years and it's there. But right now, we're now going to be introducing different opportunities on what you can do on these properties, and different commercial opportunities, different residential opportunities, different trending designs, and how you guys can also maximize your investment. And apart from development, we are also going to be talking about how you can manage your portfolio, how you can manage your real estate investment. There are a lot of guys already into different solutions, real estate solutions here. We have some real estate solution about monthly rent. We have some real estate solution about on short let. We have some real estate solutions on crowdfunding. We have some real estate solution on leasehold. We have some real estate solutions on hostel accommodation. And these are the kind of opportunities and ventures to be discussing now when we are going to be having this interview session. So if you have been finding our content, our videos quite educative, quite enlightening, trust me, we have so much mouth-watering topics, so much mouth-watering guides still coming up. And that's why, if you have not subscribed yet to our channel, this is the best time for you to subscribe. You can see now that we take this a notch higher. We have better studio now, bigger studio now, and then this also gives us the flexibility to do a lot of different topics. So I want you guys to subscribe. If you've been watching my videos since a year ago, since 6 months ago, since 1 month ago, since 2 years ago, I really want you to subscribe. And I so much appreciate you guys that have been supporting us also. Love you guys always come to my DM, appreciating our content, appreciating our work. I love you guys so much. I love you guys so much. And definitely, I'll also definitely be asking for more. So kindly do share our videos, on your WhatsApp groups, on your Facebook groups, on your timelines. We want more viewerships this time around, particularly when we have this video, this setup now. So we have a lot of things packed right for you, because we want you to invest better. I want you to invest smarter, and we want you to go into investments where you yourself can minimize your risk while maximizing your profits. Now, apart from the first setup that I showed you earlier, this is also another setup that we are also going to be having. Now, this setup will basically be for Q&A, trivias, real estate trivias, and at some point we're also going to be having some live sessions where my audiences, my viewers, my investors can come into the show live and ask your questions directly, or even share your experience about whatever topic that you are discussing. That might not be me handling it, because I'm a busy guy, but eventually we are going to be having some team of hosts and co-hosts that are going to be coming into the channel to handle some of these episodes. So you can see that we really have a lot in the pipeline, and we are already taking our channel not just a step higher, but multi-levels higher this time around, because we want to do more in terms of how this content and how these guys are being presented to you guys. And we also want to make it interactive, want to make it in forms of conversation, and in terms of, or in form of dialogue, because previously what we have been doing is me coming to the show, face the camera, talk. That can be a bit boring now. But when we have two people, two guys, two different hosts, three different hosts, having some of these guides and having some of these topics in form of a dialogue and in form of a conversation, this can also let some of these points sink in better, because right now it's not just we're talking, but we are having a dialogue and a conversation about this particular topic. I share my perspective, the other person share their perspective, and can also have some integrate some fun-like conversation also into some of the different guides that we are having. I know some of you guys have already been accusing me that I smile too much, and some of my content, some of the way I present my content is not too formal. Well, we just have to bring in some informality also into what we do and makes it interesting too. So real estate investing shouldn't be scary. and shouldn't be that serious. You know, we want to make money, and we should also have cash fund while making money. So that's the entire idea of what we are going to have. So we are also going to be having this kind of setup. Me and a guy, me and a lady, me and whoever coming into the show, and talking about some real estate trivia, so talking about taking some Q&A, and also possibly having some of you, my viewers, you know, have some very ardent supporters, you know, having some of you, of some of our viewers also coming live into the channel and sharing their experience, sharing their perspective, sharing their live comments about whatever that we are discussing here on the channel. So these are all the things that we have packed for you. Really, these are all the things that we have packed for you, and you can see that we are really serious. We are really determined about what we do, regardless of all the different improvements in our and upgrade in our presentation, in our studio, in our visuals. I can still assure you that our channel still remains based on the objective that we started it with, which is real estate guides, real estate advices, undiluted truth about your real estate investment that you can't find anywhere else. But this time around, we just want it to be better. We just want it to be in a more interesting and also a more interactive way. So be looking forward to better content, be looking forward to better visuals, be looking forward to better presentation, and also this time around, be looking forward to the different guests that Rabi will be bringing onto the show. So don't forget, if you are not subscribed to our channel, if you are not subscribed to our Meet the Property Guy channel, this is also another opportunity for you to subscribe. I really want you to subscribe, and I really advise you to subscribe, because that's just what you have to do right now, based on the improvement and everything that we have in the pipeline for you. And if you have been supporting us, you've been dropping comments, you've been giving us like, you've been sharing our content, I love you guys. You guys are just the best. You have been giving us so much encouragement, so much emotional support. I love you guys also been patronizing us. You know, I have some of you guys already have 2, 3, 4, 5 different investments with us. I really appreciate your support. So these are also another time for you to support us. You know, share our content. You know, give us your feedback about the new studio, give us your feedback about the different things that you feel we can also add to this setup. There are a lot of things I can add to the setup, now money, but trust me, if you have been following my channel over like maybe 2 years now, you're also going to concur that there have been series of improvements, and trust me, what we have right now is not what we are going to be having in December. This will even be better. I can guarantee you that. What we have right now is not what we are going to be having next year. It will be much better than these. God willing, and God keep us all alive, hale and healthy. So this we already have a lot on the pipeline, and trust me, you don't want to miss this. And at some point, we're also going to integrate membership into our channel. So, and that's why you should subscribe, because if you not subscribe, there's no way I can add you to a particular membership or membership community. So kindly do subscribe, log in on your phone, search Meet the Property Guy, subscribe to our channel, and you can continue watching our videos on your TV. So we really want you to subscribe to our channel. We really want you to continue supporting us, giving us like, giving us thumb likes, and also giving us your encouragement, right, on WhatsApp, right in our DMs, right in our comment section. We so much appreciate this. So we have a lot packed for you, and apologies for the break in the past, like maybe 10 or 12 days that you haven't rolled out any new content. This is what you have been doing, but I trust you guys are going to understand that. And from now henceforth, be looking forward to back-to-back content, back-to-back guides, and also be looking forward to Q&As, trivias, interview sessions, panel discussions, and you'll be hearing less and less from Rabiu these days now, to be more of like the guests that we are bringing in. But definitely Rabiu is still here, you know, but the entire channel, the entire brand from now henceforth won't just be about my face anymore or my voice anymore, but you're also going to be bringing in people, bringing different team of excellent, intelligent, experienced guys, also to share their guides with you. So feel free to drop your comment about our new studio. What's your rating? We are definitely going to be improving getting boom mics, getting a DSLR, beginning a live monitor, you know, for some visuals, marker board on screen, a lot really, but we are going to be getting there. So you can drop your comments with our new studio, give us your feedback. Are you impressed? Is it really cool? The new setup, what do you think about it? The interview share, Q&A share. All right, so thanks so much for watching our video. Thanks so much for your time. Thanks so much for supporting us, and we appreciate you guys for being on this journey with us. So far so good, and we also look forward to going with you guys to greater heights also very soon. Thanks. I'll see you next time.